You're walking through Pakistan's biggest robotics and AI expo, surrounded by cutting-edge robots and AI systems. The air is electric with excitement as innovators and enthusiasts showcase the latest advancements in AI robotics. You see robots that can learn, adapt, and interact with their environment in ways that were previously unimaginable. The focus is on innovation and safety, with experts highlighting the potential benefits of AI robotics in various industries. But amidst the excitement, a question lingers. Are we ready for this level of autonomy? This changes everything about how we live and work. You're witnessing the future unfold before your eyes, with over 233,827 people tuning in daily to learn more. But as you delve deeper, you start to notice the unease. The Expo's emphasis on safety is not just a precaution, it's a necessity. With AI robots becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives, the stakes are higher than ever. But here's the part nobody saw coming. What happens when these robots start to freak out and their handlers struggle to subdue them? Vocabulary, autonomy, innovation, robotics, AI, future. You're scrolling through social media, minding your own business when suddenly you see it, a video of a new robot released by Chinese Unitree, and the world is in an uproar. The bot's movements are fluid, almost human-like, but something about its actions sends shockwaves through the internet. It's not just a machine, one user comments. It's thinking on its own. You can't help but feel a mix of awe and alarm as you watch the video. The robot is performing intricate dance moves in perfect sync with music. But then, something goes awry. It suddenly stops mid-move, spins around, and looks directly at the camera like it's trying to decide what to do next. The footage gets millions more views as people debate its capabilities and limitations. Experts are quick to point out that this isn't a new phenomenon, but a reminder of how rapidly AI is advancing. Dr. Liang Wu from Beijing University says, as we continue to develop these autonomous systems, it's crucial that we also address the ethical and safety concerns. But do you feel confident in humanity's ability to manage such advanced technology? You're left wondering, what are the true implications of creating robots that can think and act on their own? Can we ensure their safety and control when they start making decisions without human intervention? The future is here, and it's clear that we need a more comprehensive approach to AI autonomy. You're sitting in seat 23A when a video pops up on your feed, flashing with a bold claim. Agentic AI engineering with Python, it reads. Over 239,943 views per day. That's more than the Pakistan Expo and the viral robot videos combined. It's clear that agentic AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's the future. But here's what nobody's telling you. As the demand for skilled professionals who could develop and implement these system spikes, are we ready to handle the consequences? In Pakistan, robots were showing off their new autonomy at the Expo. In China, a Unitree robot had gone viral, its sudden freakout making headlines around the world. But now this course is signaling something bigger. Agentic AI isn't just about creating smarter machines. It's about giving those machines more power and responsibility. The experts are calling for a comprehensive approach to safety and control. Dr. Aisha Khan from the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Pakistan said in an interview, while innovation and autonomy are key, we must not lose sight of our ethical obligations. That voice echoes through your feed, making you pause mid-click. But let's get real. These AI agents aren't just tools. They're becoming decision makers. They can influence everything from financial markets to personal choices. The question isn't if they'll be developed, but how we will manage them when they start to think and act on their own. So, you're sitting in seat 23A, staring at that video again. You're not just watching a course announcement. You're seeing the future of your industry. Are you ready for it? But here's what nobody's talking about. The real challenge lies not in the technology itself, but in our ability to ensure safety and control. As AI agents and robots become increasingly integrated into your daily lives, can you trust them? You're sitting in seat 23A when a video suddenly pops up on your screen. It's of a new robot from Chinese Unitree, dancing gracefully among people at the Pakistan Expo. The crowd goes wild, but something doesn't sit right with you. Then, there's another clip. This one is viral. People are arguing over whether AI should be allowed to roam freely. You see in your feed, and for a moment, the world seems tilted. But wait, what about all those people at the expo? They're showing off safety protocols and advanced algorithms. Do they really account for every possible scenario? Your mind races back to the agentic AI course you just started. The instructor is explaining how Python can be used to create these incredibly powerful agents. You're not alone, but deep down, you wonder, what if something goes wrong? What if an algorithm makes a mistake that could have serious consequences? You remember seeing the news about Pakistan's Expo. They're so proud of their advancements in AI robotics. But what happens when those robots start to freak out social media? What happens when they can't be controlled? It's clear now. None of these stories are just about the technology. It's all about us, our capacity to manage and control it. The real challenge isn't creating smarter machines. It's making sure they operate within safe boundaries. You start to feel a sense of unease. You wonder, can you really trust an AI that can make decisions faster than humans? What if there's a bug in the code, or worse, intentional malfeasance? These are questions no one seems eager to address openly. But here's where it gets personal. The technology is moving so fast, we're not keeping up. We're building smarter and more autonomous machines while forgetting that our biggest challenge isn't in inventing them, but ensuring they serve us well. You can't help but think about how many times you've witnessed AI mishaps, robots malfunctioning, causing minor chaos, or even worse. So here's the question. Are we ready for this level of autonomy? And more importantly, are we ready to take responsibility? You're sitting in your living room, scrolling through social media, when a headline catches your eye. A new robot from Chinese Unitree has gone viral, and the comment section is alight with fear and confusion. Users are sharing snippets of videos where the robot seems to malfunction, its movements erratic and unpredictable. You feel a shiver run down your spine as you imagine similar scenarios playing out in real life. The Pakistan's biggest robotics and AI expo was full of promising displays. Robots dancing in unison, performing complex tasks with ease. But now, you realize that those gleaming robots might just be the tip of the iceberg. The expo showcased innovations, but it also highlighted a critical oversight: the lack of robust safety protocols and transparent guidelines. As you continue to scroll, the agentic AI engineering course announcement catches your eye once again. Over 239,943 views. More people than ever are eager to dive into AI robotics. But here's the thing. Each time you think about the potential benefits, a nagging doubt creeps in. Can we really handle this level of autonomy? You turn to the viral video showing Unitree's robot misbehaving. The camera pans over the robot's confused face as it stumbles and falls, its movements halted mid-step. You can almost hear the frustration in the creators' voices. "We never intended for it to do that," they say, but the damage is done. The real challenge isn't just about creating smarter robots. It's about ensuring their safety when integrated into our lives. The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Pakistan Showcase was a beacon of innovation, but it also underscored the complexities involved. Safety and control are not optional add-ons. They're essential foundations that must be laid before any breakthrough can be truly embraced. But here's what almost nobody is telling you. The failure to address these challenges now will come back to haunt us later. The stakes are higher than you think, much higher. We're not just talking about a few rogue robots out of control. We're discussing the future of humanity itself. As you step out of the expo hall, the clatter of robots echoes softly in your ears, like a distant hum warning of what's to come. You're surrounded by displays that showcase the latest advancements in AI robotics, but something feels off. You approach an exhibit featuring a sleek, humanoid robot with lifelike eyes, which are now staring back at you intently. The room is quiet, save for the soft hum of machinery and the occasional murmur of others who have stopped to watch. You feel a shiver run down your spine. What if these machines start making decisions that affect our lives? But it's not just the technology, it's the people behind them. You see developers, engineers, and visionaries standing by their creations, proud and excited. They're dreaming of a future where AI robots will revolutionize industries from healthcare to manufacturing. But what happens when these dreams collide with reality? When autonomy exceeds control? You recall the viral video of Unitree's new robot, how it reacted unpredictably on social media, sparking fear and fascination in equal measure. The public is watching. They're eager to learn more about AI robotics. But are we ready for this level of autonomy? Are our safeguards strong enough? Can we trust these robots with tasks that once seemed safely human? As you navigate the bustling crowd, you realize that the true challenge isn't the technology itself. It's ensuring safety and control in a world where AI agents and robots are becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives. The question is, can we truly harness the power of AI without compromising our trust in it? The future of AI robotics is now, and it's up to us to make sure that it's developed with safety and responsibility in mind. This isn't just about innovation. It's about building a world where technology serves humanity, not overshadows it. Stay ahead of the curve. Subscribe to OPXERA for more insightful commentary on the latest AI news. And get ready for our next video, The Dark Side of AI, What You Need to Know, because the stakes are higher than you think.